Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock DOOGEE Blade 20 Max without password. Okay, but before we begin we need to discuss a few things. Please only try to unlock your phone, in no other case someone else's, because that might be considered as a crime and that's also unethical. Second thing is that we need to perform a factory reset using the recovery mode, so we will lose all of our data. And the third thing is that after the reset, when we get into the setup process, there's a chance that the phone will want to verify us, or by typing the screen lock. Of course, we won't be able to do it because we cannot remember it, but there should be a second option, and it will be signing in into the Google account into which we were logged in before the reset. So we'll have to sign in. If you also don't remember it, you may have to perform a bypass of this Google verification. On our channel you can find videos how to do it. Okay, so if you want to continue, follow my steps. So we need to power off our device first, click power button and volume up button at the same time, and click on power off. Okay, now we need to launch the recovery mode. Hold power button and volume up button at the same time until you see the logo. When it appears, release the finger from the power button but keep holding volume up. Okay, now using volume up button, select recovery mode and now confirm by clicking volume down. Now we have to wait a few seconds. Okay, now hold power button and tap volume up. Now using volume down button, select wipe data/factory reset, confirm by clicking power button. Now factory data reset, confirm. Okay, we can see down below that the data wipe has been completed. So now select reboot system now, confirm one last time, and now we just need to simply wait until our phone turns on. The next thing that we have to do is to go through the setup process. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.